All right. Hey, it's Matt the Old Florida Boy back with you on a nice rainy Wednesday morning. Today we are going to tackle one of the most burning questions of our time, and that is how to properly eat a Vienna sausage. These things are kind of a cool survival food. This is one of my favorite survival foods, along with ramen, Spam, hot dogs, and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This would be like number 5 on my list. These are Armour Originals. And Armour makes them in several different kinds. I think they make them in barbecue and garlic and all kinds of different flavors. I know Libby makes a couple of different kinds. I think they're also made under the Great Value brand at Walmart, but that's sinking kind of low. I call these sausages with an N because what's in this can is neither from Vienna nor is it a sausage. So it's a sausage. So we are going to explore one of the best ways and how the true Southern boys like me properly eat a Vienna sausage. So let's get to it. Okay, here we go. We got the original flavor, Armour Vienna sausage. Okay, now when you open this, there's going to be some like juice or water or junk on the top of it, and depending on what the temperature is outside or inside, it can either be really liquid or it can be like jelly or jello. If it's like jelly or jello, you definitely want to skip this next part. But if it is juice, I'm going to show you what to do with the juice. So we're going to open this to see what we got. First of all, it's got the pop top can. Okay, so we're going to pop the top. And we hear the little whoosh. It's like opening a can of beer or something. Okay, so now be careful because it's sharp. Oh, that's nice and juicy. All right, what we're gonna do is bring this up here. Now, what you gotta do is, a true Southern boy would not waste what's in that can. We're gonna drink the juice. That's liquid gold right there. All right, let me put you back down here and then we'll go on with the next part. All right, here we go. We got our sausages or our weenies. You know, I don't really know what these are, but they ain't sausage. I don't really know what the hell they are. They ain't hot dogs either. So I don't know what they made out of. That's why I call them sausage. Now, these are the original and they're kind of bland. So you may want to pick up a different flavor, like the garlic flavor, or like the barbecue flavor. They make all kinds of different flavors of these. In my local Publix grocery store, I could only find the original. So what we're going to do is we need to spice that up. And best thing is, for me, is a little Cristal hot sauce. And y'all know me, just a drop. Oh. All right, look at that. Look at that red on the top. Now that is dripping down the sides of them Vienna sausages and making them wonderful. Man, that smells good. All right, so now we're gonna put barbecue sauce of your choice. And this is just some old Heinz barbecue sauce. And we're gonna put a liberal amount of barbecue sauce on the top, okay? And just slosh it all on there. Now, this is the most important part. Tap the can to even out the barbecue sauce. See, it's going down the sides of the sausages. All right. Some will splash out. That's all right. Just take your time. Get that in there. Now, put just a little more hot sauce on the top. Ooh. Oh my God. These are great. Woo. Woo. Smooth her out just a little bit. Okay. So now it is time. Take my glass off. Now it's time that we get one of these sausages. Get your fork, get down in there, and pull out one of these sausages, and that is coated with barbecue sauce and hot sauce. Oh man. I can taste that hot sauce. Now a lot of it went to the bottom, and you can kind of slosh that around in there. See that? That's good stuff right there. Oh man. There's 7 of them in there. Now I barbecued these on the wood gas stove. So I'm just sloshing it around in that barbecue sauce and that hot sauce, getting right down in there. Oh man. Man, that's good. Whoa, nice and spicy. The barbecue flavor of Armour, it's a little bit of barbecue flavor, but it's not that strong. That's why I kind of spiced it up with my own barbecue sauce. And I'm never without my good old Louisiana hot sauce. So, there we go with the proper way, that I think is a proper way to eat the venerable Vienna sausage. Here we go, one more. Man, now that's not bad. That's a pretty good snack. Okay. Everything's going pretty good. I'm going to be out on the trail pretty soon. I'm getting it wrapped up at the house. I'm going to be full-time in the RV pretty soon, so look for some more videos from me in the month of November. Once again, this is Matt the Old Floor Boy, and I will see you on the trail.